8801 2DA an 8-inch car stereo radio with CarPlay Bluetooth FM for Volkswagen, VW, Skoda, Nissan, Opel. Package included, audio player, 2 power cord, camera and collar microphone needs to be selected. You can listen to music via Bluetooth. FM radio function. High-quality digital stereo FM tuner with RDS. Radio stations can be precisely searched automatically or semi-automatically. Insert a USB stick. You can directly listen to the music in the U-disc. Through USB, you can listen to all the music in the U-disc and watch the music MV. And you can swipe the progress bar directly on the center console display. Watch your favorite movie. Support mirror link function. You can use USB to connect your phone to the radio, such as watch the video and GPS navigation. You can synchronize any contents to display on CarPlay or big size screen. GPS navigation supports the installation and use of the Android System Map app and supports voice broadcast. With the help of the online navigation system, drivers can avoid traffic jams in advance. CarPlay function. Available for both Android and iPhone. CarPlay can move all operations performed on the mobile phone to the central control display in the car. Navigate, listen to music, make phone calls, and send and receive messages while you stay focused while driving. You can make calls directly from the radio. Please note this: the fuse and try to combine the yellow wire with the red cable together to 12V positive and the black with the negative. If you didn't wire reversing trigger wire, usually pink or brown cable, in a correct way, you may find that the screen is locked in the reviewing mode, blue screen. Please note the following: the correct wiring method for connecting the rear camera. Car reversing wiring diagram.